Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good evening, and or good night, depending on when you're watching this video. I'm so happy you tuned in. We are going to be making the Drunk Uno set on today. Shot glasses. And my nails still ain't done, so don't come for me. And instructions. So if you're interested in learning how I put this together, stay tuned for the rest of the video. The materials necessary to complete this task. I have shot glasses from the Dollar Tree. You can't see it. They come in a set of 3. I put 4: red, green, blue, yellow, with my sets. Crayon box, Dollar Tree. I also have my liner. This is the duck version, whatever, from the Walmart to transfer the vinyl onto the cups, along with a cutter because I like things to be precise. And then I have Cricut vinyl, printable decals, and I use cardstock on my printer for the instructions. Then I laminate it and I just cut it out again using this. So those are, and of course, hold on, scissors and a weeder for the vinyl. So all those things, when their powers combine, they create the Drunken Uno. So yes, let's get into it. All right, so we are going to start with the instructions. I found this on a Google search. I printed it using my HP printer on the cardstock, and then I put it in my laminator. And we are where we are right now. So I'm going to go ahead and slice this up because I like clean lines, because who doesn't like clean lines? Ooh, hold on, wait a minute. Ah! Now go around with the scissors and do the edges so that way they are smooth like this one. Ooh, there we go. So we've cut out our instructions. Again, Google search. Now we're going to do the actual images. I did these on Oracle 651 vinyl using my Cricut. I'm all 4 straight lines. That. And I saved my scraps because you never know when them scraps gonna come in handy. So we have those. The weeding tool on the floor. And again, the way I cut this, I want to take out that inner piece. And then there's this inner. So that's how I weed the image. And I would go through and do the green, yellow, and red the same way. Alright, so I went ahead and weeded these, again, using the Oracal 651 vinyl. And I will take these images and put them, look, I still got vinyl all over my hand. Put them on the shot glasses. Super quick, super easy. Using this transfer paper. So, cue the fast forward, and we're on to the next. Mind you, I'm using the same piece of contact paper. Oh, shucks. Well, life happens. So we have a, and I would throw in a third one with the yellow, but that's how I do my dominoes, as it was dominoes. My shot glasses. All right, and last but not least, let's go ahead. Jangle, jangle. We're gonna do our box. Disregard. We're gonna put this onto this and make it this. Okay, let's do the thing. Oops. Find my happy stance. just line it up. Then I put my shot glasses in and of itself into the cup. Shot glasses, box, and boom, drunken Uno. Along, hold on, wait a minute, with the instructions. So there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to the video. Keep an eye out for the next one.